4 ways to start your day right. Morning motivation and positivity. For me, the first thing to do is drink water as soon as you get up. Water, it just gets your body going, it gets you fueled, and it gets your mindset in the right place. The next thing to do is get up early and make sure you've got some time to yourself. It's crucial that you have this time, and time is one of the biggest excuses I hear for people not moving forward with their property businesses. And it doesn't need to be the case. I can find time on most people's diaries if they just get up an extra hour earlier than what you maybe do. The human body only needs 6-7 hours worth of sleep, and most people operate on 8, 9, 10, sometimes even 12 hours. So you can find plenty of time. But what happens for me, I get up at 5 o'clock and I get sort of 2-3 hours in before the world wakes up. Mobile phones are the biggest distraction, email inboxes are the biggest distraction. Don't get me started on social media for consuming content. They are just absolute time killers. And if you play into their hands, so if you get up at 9 o'clock, 7:30, whatever it is, and you go straight into your day, your working day, you're gonna get consumed by Facebook. Phones start gonna ring, your emails start. The idea of getting up a bit earlier means that you have no distractions. For me, I've got 2 young kids, and they're still fast asleep by the time I'm pretty much finished my work. So I get focused work. In reality, the 2-3 hours I spend between 5 and 8 o'clock in the morning is probably the same as somebody spending 6 or 7 hours during the day between 9 and 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Whilst I've still got your attention, if you're enjoying this video content, then there's plenty more where it came from. Don't forget to hit the bell notification and subscribe to the channel. And there's links in the description which give you other videos exactly like this one to help you on your property journey. If you're struggling a bit with motivation, and it is hard, you can't just keep going and going and going and going. It doesn't matter how positive you are, it doesn't matter how up for it you are, how big your why is. You will have moments where you struggle and you just can't be bothered. And it's the days that you show up when you can't be bothered that make the difference. Everyone can show up when they want to show up, but the days that you're struggling, you're not feeling it, and you decide not to do it are the days where your business moves back over. All you got to do is jump on YouTube. There's plenty of great motivational channels, plenty of great videos to watch, and that 2-3 minutes can just change your mindset and and just get you focused back on what you're trying to achieve and kick your business forward for that day. The final piece is to make sure that you have a plan. The biggest downfall I see for most businesses when I consult for them is they have no plan. They just get up on a morning and they let the day take hold of them. You want to start making sure that you take hold of your week, making sure that you fully engage with your week, make sure that your activities that are put on your calendar get done. A lot of people have to-do lists, which are just a bit of paper. For me, just a tiny little trick is to make sure you put a time frame on your to-do list. So if you want to have a to-do list, make sure you put a completion date on it and make sure that it is completed. You do not go to bed until it's completed. But having, setting your day up with 2 or 3 really important tasks that are going to move your business forward that day and make sure they're complete by 10 o'clock means that your business moves forward. However many days you work, 3 days, 4 days, 7 days, however many days you work on your property business, it will move forward. If you did that 7 days a week, 3 little tasks per day, your business would be in a hell of a different place 12 months from now. Thanks for watching this video. There's plenty more awesome content where this came from. As I said, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and continue watching the videos. And if you really want to get ahead of the game, then join my private Facebook group. Just head over to Facebook, 7-Figure Property Empire. Click the link to join and we'll get you on the inside.